Good morning to everybody. Now we are going to discuss about the conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are nothing but two words or two sentences or two phrases or two clauses are connected with few words. So those are nothing but conjunctions. In brief, we can say they are junctions. Okay, right. So now the correlative conjunctions, like not one word, and then when all these are one word conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs, like not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, though yet, whether or. All these words are phrasal words, so more than one word. So when we are using like this, then they will either do the work else return the money. So generally either is a keyword, then either is followed by or. It should repeat, either is followed by or. And when both Kumar as well as Ravi must finish it, again both is followed by and. So that is already there, correlative conjunctions and pairs. So, though he is rich but is wrong, though is followed by et. So, this has to be implemented. Okay, so moving to the next. Right, now, hardly and scarcely are actually a negative words. And when we should use, when we are using it as a conjunctions, we should use when or before should be used. Okay, like hardly had he left the place than is wrong. Than is comparison, greater than, less than, like that. Hardly he left when the bomb exploded. When the bomb exploded. Okay, so this is the word where we should use. Right. So rather or other. So the subordinating conjunctions than should be used. So whenever we are using rather or other, the subordinating conjunction than should be used. So he has no other job, no other object but to get a handsome job. He has no other object but to get the handsome job. This is wrong. Here, he has no other object than. So, rather and other has to follow than. So, than to get a handsome job. Right. So, I would rather buy a scooter but not a cycle. So, I would rather buy a scooter than. So, this is right. Okay. So, the subordinating conjunctions lest the auxiliary should is used. The subordinating conjunction lest the should be used, lest for fear that if it is not so. So work hard lest you fail. No, not lest. See, work hard lest you should fail. So should has to be there. Okay, right. Moving to the next. So the connecting word that is used with the adjective phrase the same, the only, the superlative adjectives and all. So this is the same book which I wanted. So this is the same book which I wanted. There is no selection, but here that is used. The reason is, so whenever I am using the same, the only, the superlative, all, when these four cases are there, I should use that. Here at present the same is used. Because of the same, I should not use which, I should use that. So the same book that I wanted should be there. So now this is grammatically right. Okay, now there should be, we will see the next rule. So the conjunction or is used with not or never. So I have never spoken to him, nor. I have never spoken to him, nor. This is wrong. When we are using neither, nor should be there. When we are using never, or should be there. So or is right, nor is wrong. Okay, in the same manner, when the word such, we are using the connectivity should be by using that, such that. So such that is used, such that. With the word such, that should be added. So there was such a noise, what? No, there was such a noise that. So such that has to be followed by such. So such that are correlative conjunctions. So moving to the next. So until denotes the time, unless denotes time, unless denotes the condition. So unless, if we are using unless, that is condition is wrong. If we are using until, the time is less. So you will not succeed until you work hard. You work hard. You work hard is the case, not the time. So I should not use here because the case is the condition. So I should use unless. So this is right. So in the same manner, I want to stay here unless she speaks the truth. So unless she speaks the truth. So unless is again, so see, I want to stay here unless she speaks the truth. I want to stay here until she speaks the truth. Here is the case again, but to stay, I should wait for the time, a long time. So directly I am able to see here the condition, but indirectly here the time is hiding inside it. So I should use until. This is very, very, very important. This is very, very, very important. So you cannot do well until you prepare yourself. You prepare yourself is not a time. You prepare yourself is the case. So to the case, to the condition, I should use unless but not until. So until is wrong. So I should use unless. So here the meaning, the context is very, very, very important. Okay. Now, whenever we are using because, the word so, therefore, as are not used. Because is nothing but explaining. So explaining or adding a condition, adding extra meaning. When we are using because as well as so, that will be a double. So double, so we should avoid double senses. So we should use only because, when we should not use, when we are using because, we should not use so, therefore, as. So here, because he came late, again because is already there, why we are using so? So should not be used, only comma is enough. So because he came late, he failed to see her. So this is right. So Now next one. So here yes Shivram.
Because he came late, he failed to switch at the actual sentence. If we write it as he failed to see her.
Yeah, he failed to see.
He failed to see her.
He failed. Yeah, he is failed to see her. Failed is right. Typo error. It's a failed only. Thank you. Yes, Mahbub.
Can we use because word in starting of the sentence?
Yeah, I am using here because we can use. Yes, we can use.
Okay, sir.
Definitely we can use. No issues in that. Okay, moving to the next. Right. The adverb not should not be used when it is connecting with till, unless, lest, until. Please, Shivram, could you please mute it? Okay, right. So, when the adverb not should not be used with the connectivity, what are the connectives? So, till, until, unless, lest, until. For these, in that clause, we should avoid using not because the cases are already there. No, it will leads to the confusion. So not should not be used. So until he does not solve this problem, I will stay with him. No, I should not use this because in the same case, this is clause till comma until he does not solve this problem is the clause. So in that clause, until, generally until, when we should use, when it is the time bound. So when it is time bound, I should use until. That is okay, that is different scenario. But at present, this is acting as the affirmative sentence should be there by the side of until because until is already a negative one. So negative of negative will leads to the affirmative. So this is just like minus into minus is plus. So for that I should not use until. So that is the direct case. When we are using till, unless, lest, until, we should not use not in the same class, not after that. Okay. Until he solves this problem. Until he solves this problem. That means our problem solve chesenta varaku I will stay with him. Okay, I will stay with him. Until he solves this problem, I will stay with him. Okay, right. Unless they do not work sincere, they will not succeed. So this is again wrong because in that same clause, not here, we are not bothered about this not in another clause. We should not bother here. We should not bother here, but we should bother here because that is in the same clause. This is the clause. So unless, till, lest, until are these four words which should not carry not in the same clause. So please be remember. Shivram, what's that phone number?
I asked him.
Okay, right. Do not work sincere. I should not use not. So unless they work sincerely, they will not succeed. So I should use here, I can use this. So this is the end of the condition till, unless, lest, until. We should not use not, we should avoid using not. So the next case. So when since is used, so already we came across this. So I am just taking the conjunctions, I am repeating this. Since is used as a conjunction should be preceded by present perfect tense and followed by a verb in the past because since was started a long back. So since at that time. Yeah, at certain time, but particular time, it was started earlier in the past and it has been doing. Okay, so many things have happened since I have left the school. Since I have left the school, because since it was happened earlier, so it is not have, it should be past. So I left the school, so I should avoid here. Have should be avoided, because at present this is already have is at present scenario, so simple past is enough. Generally perfect tense should be there. So this is present, this is perfect tense, so this is present perfect tense. So because of have and V3 forms are already there in tenses. So have, why have? Because it's a plural. Where is the plural one? Many things. What is many and things? So what is many here? Parts of speech. Random question. Type your comment. Many things, right? What is many to the things? Many things. Which parts of speech? Which parts of speech?
Adjective, sir.
Adjective. So what is an adjective? What is an adjective? Adjective is qualifies or quantifies noun or pronoun. Here things is a noun. So for that noun, many means it is quantifying. So how many? So that is why it's an adjective. Very good, very good. Moving ahead. So with the conjunction if, then should not be used. So if you work for 8 hours a day, if you work for 8 hours a day, if is a conjunction where we will use a clause, a condition. So if you work for 8 hours a day, then should not be used. So if is there, then you will get through the examination. It's enough, because after if condition is there, after condition next the another clause will, it is enough to attach it, append the next clause. Don't use the extra conjunction. No need to use the extra conjunction then. So if else, if you are a computer science background, there are cases, if condition, if else is there, that is syntax to the languages. But here in English we should avoid, if we are using if, then should not be used. So this is normal case. If you work for 8 hours a day, you will get through the examination, right? Moving ahead. So the two objects are joined by as well, besides, along with, together with, in addition to, except, including, with. The verb agrees with first subject in number. First subject in number. He as well as his students. So which one is first? First is he. As well as his students. It's a plural one. But we should avoid have, because it is not the case. We should not depend on his students, but we should depend on he. Because of that he, I have to use the singular has. So when we are using have, if it is plural, subject is plural, then we should use have. Subject is singular, then we should use has. But at present it is joined by as well as. Because of joined by as well as, so the priority goes to the first person. The first person in the sense, not first person, second person, third person, but the first subject here. The first subject. At present the first subject is he, the second subject is his students, but I should avoid second one, I should depend on first one. So this is the scenario. This is what about conjunctions. So in couple of minutes I will start another session related to prepositions. Okay, so till now all these I will attach this as a PDF in the study material also. Please go through with that, and I will post this in Telegram, right? Wait for 5 minutes, I will come back again. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.